The New York Times reported on Thursday that Israeli officials possessed intelligence indicating that the Palestinian militant group Hamas was gearing up for a large-scale assault on October 7th. The report highlights a critical failure in dismissing these warnings, leading to devastating consequences. The obtained document, meticulously outlining the impending invasion, was allegedly circulated among Israel's military and intelligence leaders. The blueprint detailed an initial rocket barrage, attempts to disable surveillance, and waves of gunmen infiltrating Israel by both land and air. Despite its sensitive security information about Israeli military capacity and locations, the document was not definitively reviewed by senior politicians. A military assessment conducted last year concluded that it was premature to affirm that Hamas had approved the plan. According to the NYT report, even when a signals intelligence analyst warned of a training exercise in line with the plan, the alert was dismissed. The analyst emphasized that it was a plan designed to start a war, but a reviewing colonel suggested a patient approach. According to reports, the warning did not imply an imminent execution of the plan by Hamas. The intelligence community continued to believe that Hamas leader Yahya Sinwar was not seeking war with Israel. The failure to act on these warnings drew parallels to intelligence lapses before the September 11, 2001 attacks in the US. According to Israeli officials, the aftermath of the Hamas attack claimed the lives of approximately 1,200 people, mostly civilians, with around 240 individuals taken hostage. In retaliation, Israel launched a ground and air offensive in Gaza, resulting in the deaths of more than 15,000 people, predominantly civilians, as reported by Hamas authorities. As the truce deadline expired, Israel has accused Hamas of violating the ceasefire, prompting the Israeli military to resume combat operations. With the truce between Israel and Hamas now lapsed without an extension, the likelihood of renewed fighting looms large. This revelation has sparked widespread debate about intelligence oversight and decision-making within the Israeli security apparatus, raising critical questions about the cost of dismissing crucial warnings in the face of potential threats.